In Welsh, we don't get to mess around with the language too much because we are too busy making up for lost time, making up for the fact that the language got quite literally royally fucked over, busy making it rise from the motherfucking ashes. In Wales, we have dragons, and we also have phoenixes. We have tongues of silver and minds in the gutter, pure hearts and a low tolerance for renaming bridges after ultra-rich bellends. We also have 2 maps, 2 minds, 2 minds, 2 maps. 2 maps, spreading in our synapse, the oak and the ash folk, lightning flash, not a copy, not a mirror, not a dupe, not translation, 2 fractal patterns from 2 different nations. The pathways in the brain are not the same. 2 mountain ranges at the Earth's formation, 2 separate ecosystems with their own rhythms, inhale and exhalations, a vision, and all the visitations of the birds and honeybees, gwasanated of Ronfraith, Bacid Coch, Dyfrdgi to riverbeds, river streams, rivulet, Capulet, channels trickling, wet, precipitate, uplands, wetlands, estuaries, floodplains. How can I explain? Try with your vincail, re-fucking godmod. Yeah. Try with your vincail, re-fucking godmod. These 2 languages live in me. I live in 2 forests, not one. I gotta do some a fi wahanol, yn aros, ymenydd wahanol, stafelloedd wahanol, byd wahanol. So if you feel the admiration with a bit of cooperation, use your concentration for acclamation, calibration, and as Jill Scott says, yeah, realization, sending ovation for the Cymraeg on your tongue, for the 2 minds, 2 maps, 2 maps, 2 minds, 2 forests, your dwelling, celebration, adulation. This is Welsh language propaganda from Bwrdd Twristiaeth y Teithfers. 2 maps. Negation, aberration, annihilation. And still the English call us backwards, stupid sheep shaggers, they just can't see. And once it was our loss, to lose a tongue, to lose communities under the water, under the slag, to lose to rich second homers, to HS2, losing rent paid to the crown estate. But we are phoenixes, and we know it is your loss when you dwell in only one woods, only have one mind, one map, thinking it's the best and all the others are less, thinking the others a stink on your shoe. Supremacists that think like this, we see how poor the soil is, how impoverished the soul. It's kind of pitiful, but you got all the money and power. We're just your lapdogs, give us a kick, we won't care. Take us to war in Iraq, take our water, our money, and take another piece of our hearts and bomb Syria, Yemen, Palestine. Yes, please, master, how about lick under the toenails of the American military, planetary wet dream for all of eternity? We've got dragons and we've got phoenixes, but they better wake up. But they better wake up. We're so tiny, we're so tiny, we're so nothing, we're just nothing. If I'm gonna turn well eternally, oh, if I'm gonna turn well eternally, no, if I'm gonna turn, if I'm gonna turn, if I'm gonna turn, if I'm gonna turn well eternally, oh, if I'm gonna turn well eternally.